YouTube, and welcome to What's Curtis Cooking. Today we're going to be cooking some chicken wings, the drummies, and I call it the wingette. And we're going to cook some buffalo chicken. I'm going to slice up some chicken breast and cut them in small chunks. My wife likes hers without the bone in it. So we're going to do that. We're going to have some ranch, some celery, some carrots, and some crinkle cut French fries. So we'll get started and get this stuff cooking, and hopefully we'll have some supper here in just a little bit. Taking some chicken breast and actually cut them up in little strips, and I'm going to put them in with my wings and just mix them in there. I'm going to cook them for my wife, and she likes hers boneless. She don't like the bone in too much. She's an old city girl. She's not used to that country bone in chicken, so I have to do her some without bones in it. So I'm going to get them mixed up in there. Just mix them around in there good, and we'll probably add a little more seasoning whenever we get them in there and get them fried. The first time we open it up, I usually add a little bit, and but you can see it's getting mixed in there good. Okay, I decided to put some in my other air fryer so we wouldn't have to wait so long. So they've been going. I'm fixing to check them, and I'm going to check the ones in the basket. Oh yeah, okay, those are done. And the ones in the other air fryer should be done. This air fryer, it took a little longer than what they said, and some air fryers will tend to do that. It just depends. You just have to get to know your air fryer. But this one here finished. This one here took about 7 minutes longer. So anyhow, but it's ready to go, and we're gonna get them out and eat them up. Okay, we're gonna have some fries, crinkle cut fries, some wings, some chicken breast chunks, some carrots, celery, ranch, buffalo sauce, some potato salad, and some leftover baked beans from the ribs we smoked a couple days ago, and some Crystal Light for the drink. Okay, we just sat down getting ready to eat. I've got fries, celery, and carrots with my ranch and some of my wings, and I'm going to take a bite, see what they taste like. Good. Tell me not to smack, but it's just one of my traits. It's just the way I eat, because it's good. Don't forget to hit the like and to follow.